All right, let's. I got to start this one in NetDocs. Let's go over search. So NetDocs has it's legal document management software with enterprise search capabilities. So when we open up the search here, what are you looking for? You can be as narrow. So under everything, I'm going to type in the word case. Leave everything else blank. I mean, I could say I'm looking for documents or Word documents. I could go really detailed, but I'm going to hit search. Now that was, I don't know, about 7 seconds. Usually it's three, so I guess it was a little slow, but I'm looking for things with the word case. So in this instance here, it's showing me where it found it in the body of the document. Okay, well, there's cases in the name here. Case is not, it's in the Excel file, and it's showing like this Excel file, 2014 January wines, Flancy, that's where it found case. Over here on the left-hand side, it's breaking it down by client, it's breaking it down by matter, doc type, file extension, author. You get this like Amazon like here. I can come back up. Let's come over here. And then we're going to come over to everything. All right. I want everything that has the word case and island. All right. Now it's going through the search again. All right. About 7 seconds. These are all documents that have the word case and island in them. Traditional Boolean searching capability here. So there's emails, there's Excel files, etc. that have the word case and island in them. And if we come over to our view in browser, PDF opens up here. We get to actually see the document, and it brings us to the first example of the word island in this case, and it's highlighting it. Again, search, you got to fill out one thing. We've got the name, doc ID, everything which is text and file. NetDocs is also OCRing any un-OCR'd PDF. When was this created, modified by, client matter, doc type file. Very extensive, makes it really easy to plug in a couple things and find what you're looking for immediately. Let's come over to Clio. All right, I'm going to come over to documents, and here's our search capability. It's just this screen here. All right, if I type in case and hit search, so there's no other option to do anything, and it's not doing a text and file search. I guess there are no results with case here, although you would think you would have one document here. So if we go to files only, let's type in the word Clio and hit search. Well, from Clio, it is only searching the names of the documents. Okay, sort here, sort folders first, columns. So you would get a list of columns, I guess like doc type, but that's not even sortable. Received at and edited it is. So I do get it created and modified here. Guess I could add the matter to here as well. There is an ID. Oh, I didn't even know there was an ID here. Just doesn't seem to be. The ID is 34. I guess this is the 34th document here. But there's no ability for me to search in the body of the documents. There doesn't seem to be the ability for me to search by comments. I can only search by document name. I can't do it by even word type or anything like there. So, I mean, I would just say on the search side of things, it's pretty much non-existent in Clio. You got to know what you're looking for. NetDocs, again, if we want to come over where we just have this name field here, and if we jump back into NetDocs, okay, you don't have to fill all this stuff out, but you could say I'm looking for a document that has memo in the name that is a Word document, okay, that was created by whatever. Like you could fill out all those details, and it doesn't matter if you have 2 million documents or 100,000 or 5 million documents. It's going to give you your results less than 10 seconds every single time.